Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, and front with gripped running boards on either side. We get blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, hood deflector, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray with some yellow accent cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course, we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, auto stop outside, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 6.4 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, audio, phone, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, cup holders, you even get more storage underneath. Storage here with some outlets. And of course, you got that vinyl wrap center console with more storage underneath. Rear locking diff, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake with your climate controls right here, with hazards, traction, and a nice backup camera. Looking to my right over here, we have 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs with storage above, below, and on the dash. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls right here, your fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF73966, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.